introduce you to a master. Kind of master who doesn't wear clothes, doesn't have any status on social media, on Facebook, none of it. A master who just lives in the now, who gives love unconditionally. A master who can easily eat the same food every day, will never complain. It's just happy the way it is. I'm talking about someone under the name of Leah because we gave her or him a name. An animal, a dog, that is a master on his own, who's showing us, teaching us how to be in the moment, right, Leah? How to be here in the now. No digital distractions for Leah, and she doesn't care much if she got enough to cover the bills for tomorrow. She's a true living example of what it is to be in the now. This is another great lesson provided by these animals, companions of ours, that have so much to teach us. Again, it's Eric, DigiPause. And as you know, DigiPause, it's an invitation to press pause on your tech time. Give yourself the permission to just take some downtime and, go ahead. Play with your animals if you have one. And if not, go around and I'm sure you'll find a nice puppy somewhere or a nice cat who's just looking for that, just for a good moment. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, it doesn't take much to make someone happy. Take a look here. A horse, one of the most grounded animals on the planet. Grounded and able to live from and with nature.